Hey guys, today we're going to take a really awesome look at one of the many ways AI can help out your business, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. If you want, copy exactly what I do, make it relevant for your moving company, and just watch the results come in. So, AI has so many uses, and as you can see right now, I'm logged into ChatGPT here. And today we're going to take a look at how we can use AI to build out a post for us that goes to our Google My Business page. So log into ChatGPT. I have the premium account, but you can use whatever one you need. There's also different large language models, they call it LLMs, that you can use. I quite like ChatGPT just because of the functionality. But you're going to come in here and put in a prompt. The prompt is one of the most important things when it comes to using something like ChatGPT correctly. So make sure that you have it pretty simple. I'm going to use AI to create a post for my local business on GMB. I'm going to go ahead and say local moving company on GMB, stands for Google My Business. If you want, you can give it some more context. It's always good to give AI context. What should I know beforehand? Also, tell me a little bit about what a GMB post is and how it benefits my business. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. It's going to give me two options. This is just because I've been using GPT for a while and it wants my feedback on which one's better, but let's just go ahead and start with one. So here's a clear breakdown to help you use AI effectively for creating Google My Business for your moving company. What it is. I'm going to go through this relatively fast. It's like a mini social media update. These posts can include text up to 1,500 characters, but 150 to 300 words is ideal. So now I'm going to start taking notes for my next one. 150 to 300 words, not over 1,500 characters. Images or short videos, call to action buttons, best CTA buttons for converting customers. Okay, now types of posts you can create. Updates or announcements, promotions, events, tips or value posts, okay? So we could do any one of these. I'm going to look to do a promotion and hopefully a seasonal promotion, just to see if this drives any traffic. And of course, it's great. Why they matter. This is the important part which I wanted to highlight to you guys. Not only does it boost visibility, it engages customers, drives conversions, free marketing channel. It's also really great for SEO, specifically map pack SEO. So I definitely recommend doing that and hear benefits of your moving company. Just like I said, stand out in a local pack, the top 3 listings that appear on your map. Lots of other things here, support SEO efforts. What to know before using AI to create posts. Best practices for GMB posts. Start something attention grabbing in the first sentence. Stress-free moving in Chicago starts here. Keep it local. Include keywords naturally. High quality visuals. Call to action. Don't overstuff with keywords. No hard selling. Watch for AI mistakes. AI workflow for post creation. Feed it the details. Generate a draft. Human edit. That will make sense. Pro tips to maximize results. Consistency. Track engagement. Repurpose content. Answer Google Q&A. Okay, so that's also huge. Now here, it's giving us one, but I actually want it to give us an even better one. So I'm going to say, first of all, let's look at what to know before using AI to create posts. So you're a world-class marketer using Google My Business posts to get my moving company, Molten Brother Movers, better traction. We're based out of Miami, Florida. Okay. Please put together a GMB. It's funny, it says GBP post. It often makes mistakes, so bear that in mind. That's why we always look through it on a human level to make sure everything's correct. Please put together a GMB post for a seasonal promotion. I'd like to offer 10% off any move booked in, what are we in, September? Let's make sure to keep it local, include keywords, and have a, I'm not going to say have a high quality visual because I'm going to use my own one, but just so you know, ChatGPT can create visuals for you. So include keywords and have a very clear CTA. For you guys who don't know, CTA is going to be call to action. Make sure not to overstuff with keywords and no hard selling. Then I'm going to put here 150 to 300 words, not over 1500 characters. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Now it's going to make one for us. So save 10% on your September move. Miami's trusted movers. So this is already nice. And I'm just going to bring all of this over for us. We're going to go to posts. We're going to make a post. And let's see how this all happens. Description, offer, event. So, okay, it's not an update. I guess this is the different types of posts you can have. You can have updates, offers, and events. We're going to do an offer. We're going to do here, save 10% on your September move. Miami's trusted movers. You can see here, that's just under the total. And then here we've got 1500 characters. We're going to copy this. And as we copy it, I'm going to go ahead and change some of the stuff. Now it's made it 775 characters. I could make it more or less, but let's see how it is. Looking to make a move this fall. September is the perfect time to settle into a new home or office, and Martin Movies is here to help. For a limited time, we're offering 10% off any move booked in September. I actually want to change this to any move completed in September. Whether you're moving across Miami to a nearby neighborhood or relocating your business, our local moving team will make the process stress-free and efficient. As a family-owned moving company, it's giving a little bit of background. Also, it is worth saying that in my prompt, I could have also included my website, at which point it would have pulled information from my website. Given that I've already used ChatGPT in the past, it knows some stuff about my business. Serving the Miami community for years of reliable service, professional movers, and care for every item we handle. From apartments in Brickell to family homes in Coral Gables, we know how to navigate every move, big or small. I like this emoji. This emoji is fine. I can A/B test whether emojis work or not. Book your September move today to lock in your 10% discount. Spots fill quickly this time of year, so don't wait. Looks pretty good so far. Last part I said here, CTA button, call now or get quote. I don't know if we have that option, but let's go ahead and put start date being today from, let's say, noon. Looks like that's too late. Let's just say a 3 p.m. start time. I don't even know what time it is. 4 p.m. until the end of the month. And we'll do an end time like, we'll do sometime late in case you want to book it. Perfect. We could add more details, terms, coupon code, link to redeem offer. I kind of want to see, okay, this is pretty cool. I can direct them to my website. That's pretty cool. Or I could add a coupon code. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you a little bit more about how powerful these AI models can be. I'm going to take a screenshot of this and I'm going to attach it here and say, should I add anything here? I can't find out where to add the CTA button because here it says this. So I'm going to put this and I'm going to see what they have to say. Here's what's going on. The CTA button isn't something you manually add. Google automatically generates it based on what you enter and the type of post you're creating. The field you're looking at, link to redeem offer, is optional but can be very powerful. Here's how to use it. If you have a booking or quote page, you can put them straight there. If you don't have a dedicated page, if you only take calls, you can skip this field. Okay, why this matters? Add a direct link. Okay, so what we're going to do is Molten Brothers Movers. Our website pretty much directly puts them to here. So I want to capture their phone number here. So let's go ahead and add this in here, link to redeem offer. And it's going to bring them straight to Molten Brother Movers. Now, for images and videos, for the case of this example, I'm not going to go ahead and add anything, but we're going to go ahead and post this. And you can always check back in with me to see how the results are. But that's what you can see right there. It took me less than 10 minutes, and I'm also showing you guys how to do this. And I've just now generated a post that will go straight to my Google My Business. AI is such a powerful tool. So make sure you're not sleeping on it. This is just one example of how you can use it within your moving business. But if you guys want more examples, please reach out to me, put something in the comments, and I'd be more than happy to get more information regarding that. Now, just for the fun of it, let's see if they can make it. Could you generate a basic image to go with this post? Now, this takes a little bit longer. So as soon as we have it, I will go ahead and skip forward to it for you. So see you in a second. Okay, so you can see we've got the result already. And actually, this isn't bad at all. Could you generate a basic image to go with this post? I haven't given it any context into what I want, but it's actually pretty clean. Molten Brother Movers is fine. Save 10% on your September move, book now. I really like this. It even has a truck in the back, a box carrying it. It's a little too generic. I'm sure we always see this, a moving guy with a hat on, polo shirt. I would change this a little bit. I could even change this to have me in it. But to begin with, this isn't bad. So let me go ahead and download this. And then I'm going to go ahead and upload it too. There it is, it's in. So we're going to go ahead and post that now. And we're good to go. It's still pending, so it has to be approved by Google. But as soon as that posted, it's live, which is really, really awesome. So thanks guys for making it this far in the video. I'm sure you can see how powerful a tool AI is when you're looking to do different things in your business. And if you have any other questions, just reach out to Heavy Lifting Marketing. Thanks again.